Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here on the BeDistinct channel. Today is the second episode of the Supra Road to 500 wheel horsepower, and today we are going to be doing a downpipe install on a 2020 3.0 GR Toyota Supra. We have safely removed the G35 from the garage so we can put the Supra right then and there and install the downpipe. Park it in, buddy. Before you turn it off, give me some revs so we can hear the before. That thing sounds sick, and that's stock, guys. That's stock, bro. That's crazy. What is that? Your freaking eco exhaust mode or what?
Yeah, it's like two exhaust modes.
All right, we're not gonna show the address, but we're about to do the unboxing of the. Is this CTS turbo downpipe?
This is a CTS turbo downpipe.
Yeah. It's only one. Thought there was two for a second.
Right here.
Ooh, that thing's massive. Holy crap.
Yeah, looks good.
Close your door a little bit. More, keep on. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off the downpipe install. We just uninstalled the sensors, the downpipe O2 sensors that are on top of the engine bay. And right now we're just gonna go ahead and remove all these. These are all 16mm bolts. And once we remove that, it'll give us a lot more access to take down the downpipe.
Alright, so we basically got the under tray out now. He's gonna pull it out very slowly.
So this is held on
by like 20 billion screws.
You'll have a mixture of 8mm bolts and 13mm bolts. Alright guys, we're now under the car. We've taken off this bolt right here. This bolt right here, this is a bracket that just supports the exhaust. This is for the clamp to hold the exhaust. And then so right now we loosen these two up so we can try to remove the exhaust away from the downpipe. We're almost there, we're almost there. Yes. Yes, okay.
Nice.
We're solid. Okay, we could just let this hang for now. A little tight space, but you should be able to
It's hot, bro, it's hot. Bro, this bolt never stops spinning.
On YouTube, I always show you the bolt, but they never show you the behind the scenes. So you can see it from the top engine bay. You can see it a lot better where he's removing the bolt. The O2 sensors the O2 sensors kind of blocking it, but you should be able to see it. Come on, buddy. Whoa. Man's got a supercharger. Alright guys, so it took us a minute, but we were able to loosen the V-clamp right there that's moving. So now I think he's ready to remove the whole downpipe. I went ahead and also, before you go ahead and remove, make sure these O2 sensors, they're tucked in their little brackets like this one. Make sure you untuck it away, because if that thing falls to the ground, you could end up ripping one of these, and then you're gonna have to buy a new O2 sensor. So make sure to unclip these. You gotta maneuver it. I saw. Yep. There you go. You're taking the V clamp. It's alright. It's cool. Take it out. Take out the baby.
Ah, it's hot.
Ah.
Hella fucking hot. Ah.
Fuck. Watch out. I got it.
It's hot, bro.
Let's go, baby. It's a girl. Ah! Why did I put it on my thigh? I'm an idiot. All right, we're here interviewing the man himself.
Dang,
just had a baby. That's crazy, man. That was a battle.
Hey, honestly though,
it wasn't that bad. It's not bad.
For like taking this type of thing off my Genesis, I could not get. I had to do 2 headers, and it just took forever, bro. So.
This was not bad. Okay, now stay there. All right, let me know the weight difference. Here's your brand new one, dude. That's one hand.
That's decent, bro. That's like, look.
Would you say it weighs like less than half, about half of it?
Half probably, yeah.
Yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and tackle and try to take off those O2 sensors right now. Go ahead and hose it down real quick, let it cool down. Oh damn, that shit's still hot. What the hell? So now he's just putting the O2 sensor back.
We don't even have any anti-seize, but it's okay.
Alright guys, you guys know the routine in the channel. If you guys remove your cats, you guys have to turn it on, bro. Open headers. We did it in the G, and now we're gonna do it in the Supra.
It's gonna be so loud.
I'm kinda scared, dude. Bro, do not go straight pipe. Please do not go straight pipe.
This is my face, bro. That thing is loud.
We're going to want to go ahead and transfer the
this thing.
The gasket, which we kind of wet. Sauce.
crap, but it's all good.
Alright guys, so we managed to put in the new downpipe right there. Fresh, brand new, fresh ski. Alright guys, we're almost done. We're warming up the G. Hopefully that's not too loud, but we're just gonna jack this thing down real quick. Alright guys, we're officially done with the Supra. Let's get it. Come on, boy. Let's get that first start up. Oh, perfect. Okay. It's louder, but it's not that loud. So it's good. It's good. It's good.
A little bit quieter, but yeah, that's still loud though.
It is louder than stock. Hell yeah. You could also start smelling the fumes now.
Yeah, there you go.
That's, oh shit, what the hell? That's fire. That is fire. Oh shit. At night though.